Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellie, and today I will be showing you guys how to make a basic slime. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a slime, that I've already made. So this is a clear slime, and yeah, it's a nice slime. It has foam beads and sprinkles. Oh, and it smells like a vanilla cake. So let me get it into its bag, and then we can start making slime. So first you will need a type of glue. Here you could get clear glue, or you could get white glue. I'm probably going to use clear glue since I have more of that. And yeah, so I'm going to add my clear glue. Okay, I'm going to try and get enough to make a pretty big slime. Not too big because I don't have a lot of glue left. That. Okay. I guess that can be enough. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's enough. And then, so I will add some scent, but that's only because I have some. You don't have to add scent, but it just makes it smell better. So I have strawberry scent. I have vanilla scent, and I have cake scent. So, I'm going to do strawberry. Okay, so I did like 4 really long drops, and here, everything's falling. I'm trying to get my stuff out because I have it all in a little bin. So, I don't have any, like, red coloring. Oh, wait, I do. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. I found my red dye, and I found some Elmer's clear sparkly glue. So I'm just gonna add, ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna add, geez, that was like already the whole bottle. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna add the rest because I want a lot of glitter in it. And then I'm gonna add my red dye because the glitter will help with the color a little bit, but not much. So I'm gonna just add like, ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess 4 drops. And then I guess I forgot to bring a spoon. So I'm just gonna mix it with one finger. I usually use my whole hand, but I'm just gonna use one finger. And then once it's like the color you want it, then you can activate it. So activator, you can use a little bit of dish. Oh my gosh, I can't talk for a second. Dish detergent, or like there's Elmer's Magical Liquid, or I got a kit and it's by Girl Zone, and it came with activator. You can also use contact lens solution and baking soda. Like there's, oh, and like you can get like warm water and mix it with borax, and then that is a good activator. But most store-bought activators aren't that strong. So you have to like add a bunch for it to work. But with like dish detergent, you can only use a little bit because then it's way too much. Okay, there we go. Now it's getting there. This is pretty. Oh, it's super sticky. Okay, I think that should be good. Oh dear, why did I touch it with my own hand? It's not ready yet. You just gotta keep on kneading it and keep on adding activator until it's not sticking to you anymore and until you think that's like a good amount. That's pretty. I like clear slime, it's like one of my favorites because there's clear slime, cloud slime, white slime, there is icy slime, fishbowl slime, foam. Okay, but yeah, so here's the slime. I'm gonna move the bowl because I have other things to add into it. Okay, next I have some strawberry slices that I got from a slime kit. Oh, those are pretty. Oops, I added the whole thing. I didn't mean to add the whole thing, but they're so pretty. And I accidentally added them all. Okay, I guess I can't take any more out now. That's fine. Ooh, this is looking pretty. I really like slime, if you haven't noticed yet, because like all of my videos are like slime videos. This is my third slime video. Ooh, pretty. I have some sprinkles that I'm gonna put in. Ooh, okay. Don't want to pick that up. Okay. Just gonna add the rest of those. They're white and red sprinkles. That like, if I had more of them, I would have added more. But yeah. Hope this helped you with your slime making experience. See you guys next time. Bye.